Thank you, sir, for joining this presentation. This is a training course for people who need to know how to use GASPmedia and how to play with its functionalities. For the future, this video material can be used by you as a reference user manual anytime you need to refresh to recollect how to play with GASPmedia functionalities. There are a number of complex scenarios supported by GASPmedia. The most common situation is the one where we have a number of screens located on different places, let's suppose spread all over a wide geographical area, here indicated in the picture surrounding the network, and you want to control the content of each of them from a central position, here indicated in this example in the left side of the screen. The operator is responsible for planning the contents and deploy the contents toward all the remote screens. He can deploy the same contents to all the remote screens, or he can plan specific contents for each of them. Another complex scenario is the one where the content planning is under responsibility of more than one operator in the company. Here in this example we indicated two possible operators, but of course they can be much more. The operators may be located also in different offices and they need to cooperate for reaching the final result. In such scenario, the system administrator plays a very important role. The system administrator is responsible for controlling the user access by defining user profile and privileges. Is the system administrator responsible for defining who can do what in order to avoid conflicts? GASPmedia is a software tool based on three main software components. The first software component is called GASPmedia Regia. Regia is an Italian word which means director. The director is the tool for planning and scheduling the multimedia contents. GASPmedia Regia is a software tool specifically designed in order to be used also by persons without any technical skill. So the user interface is very friendly and very easy to be used. GASPmedia Regia can be installed in one or more PC inside your company. It depends how many operators are responsible for designing and scheduling the multimedia contents. In the most simple scenario, you can have one operator responsible for the planning. In such case, you need to install GASPmedia on one PC only. But if you have more than one operators, maybe located on different offices, you can install GASPmedia Regia on different PCs. The second software component is the database. Our solution is based on Microsoft SQL Server. The database is the place where any information about the multimedia content planning and scheduling is stored. Any change in the planning is automatically reflected into the database. The third software component is GASPmedia Show. Practically, it is the multimedia player. GASPmedia Show is the software responsible for playing the contents over the screen. Any information about the content planning and scheduling is delivered from the database to GASPmedia Show. GASPmedia Show is an application supposed to be installed on a PC directly connected to the screen through VGA or HDMI interface.